keep your woman. Hello, my darling. You know what? This is a really important video that I want to share with you about how to keep your woman. My name is Arica Angelo, and if you are new to my channel, then you should know that at the end of all of my videos, I always offer you an encouraging word. So make sure that you hit the subscribe button, you turn on that notification bell, because I've got more videos, baby, coming your way. And you do a lot of work to get a woman. Like if you're single and you're watching this, you're like, yes, this is like precaution. I want to know what to do when I get her. Then you're very smart. And if you're the guy who already has her, then if you can remember when you were single, all the things that you did to get the woman that you're with today. Imagine doing all this work only to get her for a very short time, and then what happens? She leaves. There's nothing more gutting and disappointing and hurtful when a woman leaves her man. And I want to talk about how you can keep your woman, because so many of my clients, believe it or not, are not just single men, but men who are in the middle of divorce is wondering, how the hell do I keep this woman? So the thing that women are looking for, and this is a term that I use quite often in my videos, is a woman is looking for an emotional warrior. Now, what the hell do I mean by that? What does that look like? And this is what an emotional warrior is. An emotional warrior is a guy, one, who can do vulnerability. Why the hell do you think I talk about vulnerability? And I have videos on my channel about vulnerability. Because vulnerability is the glue that makes her stay. When she has a man who can communicate his emotions, who when shit gets stirred up in the relationship, he doesn't just bolt and run from the door, but he can stay in that vulnerable conversation. That is what a woman is looking for, someone who can do that. The other thing is an emotional warrior knows how to support himself emotionally. So many times we get into relationships because we want the other person to support us emotionally. We want them to give us the love that we need. We want the affection that they can give us. We want that encouragement, those words of affirmation, the respect that they can give us. But truth be told, we can actually give that to ourselves. When we get in a relationship, that person enhances upon what we have already built. So an emotional warrior not only knows how to do vulnerability really well, but he also knows how to be there and stand for himself emotionally. And the other thing that an emotional warrior has, what a woman really, really wants, is a man who has EQ. It's an emotional intelligence, an emotional awareness. In fact, if you don't have that vulnerability and being there and supporting yourself emotionally is going to be lost on you. So it's having a sense of what emotions are, what emotions you're experiencing. And when you can give that to yourself, then you can give it to her. So when shit falls apart for her, that you can speak back into her and tell her what is going on emotionally. I'm sure right now you're feeling frustrated, you're feeling hurt, and sweetheart, I understand. Those are all valid emotions. When you can speak to a woman that way, she goes, shit, like I can trust this guy not only to provide, even though she can provide for herself, but he can also be an anchor in our relationship, a support system in our relationship when it comes to emotions. And baby, guess what? When you're in relationships, that is what stirs the pot. All those heart feelings that we have elicit very strong emotions. If you can navigate through those emotional waters as an emotional warrior, that is how you keep your woman. So tell me in the comment section below what you think an emotional warrior is. My love, chances are when you're watching this video, you're like, what the hell did she just talk about? The thing is, what I love doing with my work is equipping you guys to be this emotional warrior, because society has basically disempowered men from being emotional warriors. You're taught from a very early age that if you cry, you suck it up, that if you say what's going on, your feelings, that you're a pussy, that that's a woman's job. But the truth is that these are skills that every human being needs to have. So if you're new to this journey of hearing what an emotional warrior is and what that looks like. My love, don't be discouraged. The fact that you're even aware of this is a huge step, because trust me, there are guys in their 60s and 70s who will never know about this because they've just not been trained. But you have an opportunity to start today, and you can change the rest of your life by taking these tools and becoming an emotional warrior. If you haven't taken that attraction quiz, then I highly encourage you to do that right now. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell. And babe, remember this, that you are already loved right where you are. You're loved. And you know what? This might be new for you, but you, babe, you have what it takes. Seeing you and loving you until the next time. Take care.